Hi there, guys. My name is Jash, and this is Parth. We are here to talk to you about one of the many lesser known organic chemists by the name of Tetsuo Nozoe.
Today we are going to be talking about his life and the contributions he made towards the world of organic chemistry.
To start off, Tetsuo Nozoe was one of 11 children and was born in May 16, 1902 in Sendai, Japan. From a very young age, he was interested in chemistry and would replicate experiments done in the classroom at home. Tetsuo graduated from high school and went on to the Department of Chemistry at Tohoku Imperial University at age 18. He studied organic chemistry there under Riko Majima, one of the other chemists from Japan.
After this, in 1926, he went on to work as a researcher under the Department of Chemical Industry of Central Research Institute in Formosa, Taipei.
Throughout his lifetime, Tetsuo collected a huge number of autographs and tributes from famous chemists all over the world, including from 32 Nobel laureates, collecting over 4,000 signatures and comments in his notebooks. These are still kept today in the archives in Tohoku University.
Hold up. Over 4,000 signatures?
Yes, you heard that correctly, over 4,000. Quite an impressive collection of signatures.
Wow. Continuing on, his main area of study and research in chemistry was around a new area of organic chemistry that he discovered himself: non-benzoic aromatic compounds, the main one being hinokitiol.
Some other things he did include studying natural compounds in plants like saponins and sapogenins, researching and studying the constituents of wool, wax, and other animal skin waxes, discovering linoleic acids and agnolinic acids, and researching on Taiwan hinoki, a tree that had natural resistance to fungal wood decay. And he also studied characteristics of tropones, tropylines, and other troponoids and azulines.
It's hard to believe that he did so much and is still not as well known as other chemists.
That's one of the problems he seemed to face. He did not receive the global recognition he deserved. Many of the awards he won and received were within Japan. He barely gets acknowledgement in places like North America and Europe.
That's outrageous. He did so much hard work and dedicated his life to organic chemistry, especially a new branch of organic chemistry, and he got no global recognition for it. Scientists outside of North America and Europe deserve to be recognized and taught about just as much as those within North America and Europe.
Exactly. On top of that, he also faced other hardships throughout his life. One of the biggest ones was the loss of his father. His father was not only a political leader, but also one of his biggest inspirations. When his father passed away in 1927, his family not only suffered a financial blow, but he suffered an emotional blow himself. To add on, he was already quite familiar with the sense of loss since he lost three of his siblings who all died at a young age. These were very tough times for Tetsuo.
And yet, regardless of all this, he persevered through and made a huge impact on organic chemistry as we know it. It's good to see he still received recognition within Japan for his hard work. Some of the many personal and scientific achievements Tetsuo accomplished included becoming a professor at Taihoku Imperial University, 4 Order of the Sacred Treasure Awards, the Japan Academy Award, and the Majima Award for Organic Chemistry of the Chemical Society of Japan. To top it all off, the Special Award of the Society of Synthetic Organic Chemistry of Japan, which he received in 1984.
Tetsuo was such a large figure in organic chemistry. Now let's move to talking about one of the main compounds he worked on and discovered, hinokitiol. The functional groups present in hinokitiol are one hydroxyl group and one carbonyl group. At room temperature, this compound is a solid appearing as a crystal with almost no color. This compound is also soluble in a variety of organic compounds. Some of the other physical properties include a boiling point higher than water at 140 degrees Celsius with a melting point at 52 degrees.
To jump in here, the reason behind the relatively high boiling point is due to the fact that aromatic compounds can create temporary dipoles, increasing the bond strength and making it harder to break down.
Well, now maybe you know what hinokitiol is from a chemistry standpoint, but you're probably wondering what it's actually used for. Overall, it contains many medicinal properties, including antibacterial, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties.
The low toxicity of this compound, combined with the many medicinal properties it has, makes it very useful in many healthcare products with a variety of uses. These include skincare products due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This helps fight things such as rashes and acne, common problems that many people have globally. An example of this would be in the skincare brand Allumier MD, which frequently uses hinokitol for their skincare creams. In addition, it can be used in toothpaste and hair products because of its oral care and hair growth properties.
To add on to its benefits in skincare products, since it is an antioxidant, it helps reduce cell damage due to free radicals. To clarify, a free radical is an unstable molecule that requires an electron, making it highly reactive with other molecules. This can lead to effects such as visible aging. Hinokitiol can help reduce this and decrease visible skin aging a lot.
With the many beneficial uses of hinokitol, we can see that the positive impact that it has on society and human health is very prominent and beneficial. The uses in healthcare give this compound a very important role to play with skincare, oral health, and hair health.
It's incredible to think how important and impactful this one compound is to our day-to-day health. There are many creams and medicines people use as part of their day-to-day routine which contains this compound, hinokitiol. Don't forget about toothpaste.
That's not all. Hinokitol also has a positive impact on the first native community. This compound is found in nature in the red cedar plant located in North America. It was used by the natives for its natural healing and antibacterial properties, which was present due to the hinokitol in the plant.
On top of the many beneficial uses of hinokitiol, another very important part is its ability to prevent wood from decaying fast. This is greatly impactful as wood cannot be preserved for commercial use long after it has been chopped down, which makes it useless if it is slightly decayed. The use of hinokitiol reduces economical loss by preserving more chopped wood to be turned into goods. In addition, this means less wood is required for the same amount of commercial goods. This in turn helps with the economy by reducing the waste of wood and the environment.
Oh my, I just thought about what a world without Tetsuo would look like. We would have a completely different outlook on aromatics and potentially not know as much about useful compounds such as hinokitiol as we do now. Oh god, what would I have used to treat acne in a world like that?
Not to mention the economical and environmental benefits that come along with hinokitiol.
I think there was a good lesson to come out of this. No matter what nationality, culture, race, gender, or any other trait that separates us, we should celebrate all scientific achievements equally. All scientists do hard work and research towards solving the issues of today and finding the solutions of tomorrow.
I agree. And on that note, we will wrap things up. We hope you have learned more about the amazing chemist Tetsuo Nozoe and his contributions to organic chemistry and your health. I'm Jash.
And I'm Parth. Until next time.